everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a wire twisting kit set up here. Actually, what it's called, it says it is a wire stripper twister tools for stripping and twisting. Okay, so the way it works is we have these different heads that will go on here, and it will connect up into our, this is the twister. So if you put that into a drill bit, let's say I have this wire here. If I put it into the drill bit and then as it spins, it will twist it up. You see there, it's already twisted. So if it's spinning really fast, see, it twists up the ends for you instead of having to do this whole thing. So that's kind of cool there. It has stripping abilities. Let me cut a little bit of this off here. I'll show you guys what we're talking about on that. Okay. So we have these pieces here, which are for different abilities of stripping. I guess, I'm not sure, is this the, I might have to look at the instructions to figure out what that was for. But okay, let's see, 14 AWG, 10, all the way down to 6 AWG, we can use with this one here. So let's see, if we have a 14, okay. So I don't know exactly what this wire is, but we'll show you how it works. So your drill, this will be, how is it gonna go in there? The drill chuck will be there, and this will be in there. Let's see. This will screw. Okay, so this is the chuck piece here, and it will screw onto this. So there's that. And then we feed the wire through, and, oh, I needed a bigger one. Hold on a second. Didn't know what this wire was. Maybe it's a 12. Yes, it's a 12. Okay. So we will have this screwed into here. Okay. And we do have different things here, like to tighten things up and stuff like that. But then as we're in the drill and it's twisting like this, it will go, and you can see it's like a pencil sharpener. You see that right there? It's kind of doing that. And then look at that. It just totally stripped the end of that and gave us a little pencil shaving kind of piece there. I'll show you that again. Cut the end off again. So it was really cool. Okay, so here we go up close. So we're gonna go there, and you'll see as I twist it, I don't know if I can twist the wire. I can't because it's too hard to hold the wire, but you get the idea here. As I'm twisting it, it's going and creating that whole shaving piece, that piece that's coming out. That's just the casing. And then I can pull it out, and now I have a pretty long end. So it makes it super easy. So if you're into getting some wires and you want to strip them fast, this is the way to do it. You can strip a million wires super fast. So if you, especially, so this is great. If you just have one wire to do, it might be easier to use just a, a stripping tool. But if you have a whole lot to do, man, this is gonna be great. So very cool little device here. And just kind of has a little push thing there, so you can kind of get it where you need to be. But very cool, nice little device. And I guess you can set it to different depths of how long you want the wire to be with that. So pretty cool. So yeah, I guess once it's in there, you can set the depth. Oh, it even says it's got the markings right there on the side. So there, that's how you set it. So very cool, great little device there. And let's see, what was this last piece for? This one, I'm not sure what this one's for. Let's see, is it for just a mega pack of wires? Probably just if you have a whole bunch of wires and you need to twist them all together, you can fit them all in there and it'll just make a huge twist. For me, I'm usually using just the little stuff here. I wouldn't get more than that to do it. So very cool, great little setup. And it all comes in a nice little nifty little box here. So you are set for all your wire stripping needs. Thumbs up.